Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Still Sunday, 7th day of September 2025. Anytime I tune into the news about the federal government of Nigeria talking about insecurity, I see false hope. Every now and then, I see National Security Advisor talking. I see false hope. When I see CDS talking, I see false hope. Do you know why I am seeing false hope? And the whole false hope I'm seeing is coming to reality. It's coming to reality in the sense that the insecurity keep on spreading, keep on increasing. Why they are there speaking in tongues, talking opposite of what is reality on the ground. The reason why I'm seeing false hope from everything they are telling you is that set of people, not one, not two, not three, came to national television to say that yes, they themselves in government imported terrorists. So how can a devil cast out devil? How can a devil cast out devil? I don't know sometimes how Nigerians think. So you think that the government that imported terrorists, according to what they said, not what I said, you think that the same government will now come and solve the security situation? Let's think now. Let's wear our thinking cap. Many Nigerians have been deceived for getting to 10 years now, decades. 2014, 2015, when they imported these terrorists, till today, they have been deceived. They will tell you that Boko Haram is technically defeated. The insecurity is gone. Tinubu has finished insecurity. Buhari has finished insecurity. Everywhere. These are false hope to the gullible ones, not to people who can think. No, Nigeria is only country where I have seen in my lifetime the government officials will come to Channels Television, Arise News. They will sit comfortably and they will open their mouth to spill out rubbish. We brought in militias from Mali. They are in millions in number. We brought them to help us do machinery to remove Jonathan, but we did not use them again. When Atiku, Bukola Sariki, Dino Mendaye, and the rest of them, the camp left Jonathan from PDP and entered IPC, we had a very large number of people, so we did not use the people we imported. That is how they defend the treasonable felony they committed. That is how they defend the treasonable felony they committed. And the gullible Nigerians are following them, clapping hands for them. Someone who imported terrorists that are killing your people. Go to villages, your mothers can't go to farm. They are being raped every now and then. A lot of things are going on. And the only thing the government can tell you is that they are on top of it for 10 years. On top of it for 10 years, CDS will come today and say they will fence Nigeria, that if they fence Nigeria, the insecurity will stop. Tomorrow they will tell you that they will do this. All these things are story, false hope. They don't have the solution because the devil cannot cast that devil. So you think that Canada designating PDP and APC as terrorist organization, that they don't know what they are doing? They know what they are doing. They have their record. The world is seeing, the world is watching. It's only many Nigerians that are being deceived every now and then. I don't understand what is playing out. Now, I know that no news media in Nigeria will be able to report everything about insecurity going on in Nigeria. Even today, Sunday, as I speak to you, it is tomorrow you will begin to hear scores that happened today. But for the now, let's look into what is going on in Southern Kaduna, where 8 people were killed by these people they call Bändits, okay? They are terrorists. And 18 people were injured. This is terrible. When will all these things stop? When is it going to stop? You know why I keep on bringing out these records for you? Because half of the population in Nigeria don't even understand what it means to be a citizen. Many of them, like me, we were born and brought up in Nigeria. We were psycho-conditioned to believe or to think that insecurity is a part of life, is part of life, or it's a way of life. It's normal for people to get kidnapped. It's normal for people to get killed. It is normal for you to live with fear. Sometimes I don't just get it. The real people are dying. And it's the same people that are still helping them to talk about 2027. No. Something is dangerously wrong. Both with the politicians that imported insecurity, the perpetrators, the citizens as well. Something is wrong with all of us. Now, what happened in Southern Kaduna? At least, 8 people have been confirmed dead and 18 others injured following a deadly attack by armed bandits on Wake village in Kachia local government area of Kaduna State. The assault, which took place in the early hours of Sunday, that is today, also saw an unconfirmed number of residents abducted by the assailants. So after killing 8 people, they injured 18, and they took the number of people they were able to take. Wow. Clap for them, and clap for your government. Clap for your government, okay? Now, the attackers who stormed the community in Agono ward in large numbers launched a coordinated assault that left the village in chaos. Local sources said the bandits moved swiftly, shooting indiscriminately and forcing residents to flee before taking captive whose whereabouts remain unknown. The incident underscores the worsening insecurity in Southern Kaduna, a region that has faced repeated violent attacks in recent years. Now, they are telling us that these people, their whereabouts is unknown, right? Their whereabouts is unknown. Let me tell you, if I use my phone now, I say, let me record video, I now talk derogatory words against all these top political classes. Give them 48 hours, they will come and pick me. They will come and pick me wherever I am. They will know where you are. But for terrorists, oh, they don't know where the terrorists are. They will tell you they don't know. But don't forget what Daouda said, Governor of Zamfara. I can see the bandits on my phone. I asked my men to go and flush them out. We got a call from Abdùct to step back. Who called them? Nigerians, you people don't know what is coming. You people don't know what is coming. A governor, sitting governor there, he's telling you that he knows where the bandits are, but he was trying to go after them. A call came from Abuja. Oh boy, go back there. Don't kill them, don't fight them. But the real people are dying. So the government is not for you. The government, I think, is more for the terrorists, petting them, aiding them, budgeting billions of naira for repentant, they call them repentant Boko Haram. It's terrible. Let me run this article to the end. He said, I can confirm that the bandits killed 8 of our people in Wake village, injured about 18, and kidnapped several others, a local source reported. The injured victims were rushed to medical facilities, with some receiving treatment in Kachia town, while those in critical condition were transferred to hospital in Kaduna. The attack starkly contradicts recent official claims of the decline in banditry across the state. A community source expressed frustration, lamenting that authorities often ignore the suffering of rural residents. As usual, he said, no media is interested in our woes, and even our leaders, because of these politics surrounding banditry in the state, the source said. So they don't want this thing to come out in the media. You can see they are clamping down many news media. They don't want people to talk about all these things. You know why? Because they know what is going on. So they want to suppress the media report about this. That is what these people are crying out. So do well to share this video for people to understand what is actually going on. Now, as part of the press time, neither the Kaduna State Police Command nor the state government had issued any official statement on the attack. So you see the fresh attack that happened today. I believe before tomorrow they will release official statement. Wow, what a woe. Who caused Nigeria? Who caused us? Anyway, I just want to let you know, as Boko Haram have declared that some part of Nigeria is their territory, is not Nigeria. That is how so many citizens have crossed their mind. They are no longer part of a country where terrorists will be leading one side and civilians will be leading in another side. So it's impossible to share country with terrorists. It's impossible to share control with them. These are the terrorists they promised to become a president. That is what the federal government of APC did. They told Boko Haram people, you still stand a chance to become president. You understand? Now, Kunde Olaomi, Commander Kunde Olaomi, who is a former head of military intelligence, he have all your worries in 1 hour video, where he explained everything that the presidency, senators, governors are the ones sponsoring all these people. I want you people to wake up, because the perilous time is ahead. I'm Okochapi myself, a confident reporter. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section.